How to get the most out of your Paradice 16 food processor. Join us as we walk through the unboxing, setup and unique capabilities of your large capacity food processor. We will take a closer look at the dicing kit and chef's armoury so you can get precise results, time and time again. Let's dive in. To unbox the machine, place the box on the floor and open it up. You'll see that the machine's parts and accessories are packed in layers for easy removal. When unpacking, simply remove each layer one at a time. Then you'll find the lid, the chef's armoury, a separate storage unit containing multiple attachments, and the dicing kit with the dicing discs and potato peeler. Remove each of these as well as the machine base. Before setting up, remove all protective packaging from the base and attachments. Then pop everything in the dishwasher before their first use. The only element that can't go in the dishwasher is the dicing gearbox, which should be hand-washed. Let's get familiar with everything in the box. Here's the motor base and bowl, which is accompanied by 2 storage boxes. The chef's armoury contains all of the standard attachments. The dicing kit has its own storage box and has everything you need to dice and peel produce. With your Paradice 16 ready, let's explore the dicing kit. The dicing kit of the Paradice 16 is designed to help you dice produce quickly in a precise and consistent manner. Inside the dicing kit, you'll find the dicing gearbox, the dicing distributor, the cleaning caps, the dicing discs and the dicing grids. There are 2 size grid options for dicing, 8 and 16 millimeters. No matter which size you're using, the dicing distributor and the dicing gearbox are universal and are placed in the bowl first. The dicing distributor ensures that the diced food is evenly dispersed within the bowl. Next comes the dicing grid. There are tabs that help guide the dicing grid into the correct place. When you feel it drop into place, it is assembled correctly. It's very important to handle this with care. Never touch your fingers to the extremely sharp grid. Finally, place the dicing disc on top of the grid and secure the lid. With a large bowl and powerful motor, the Paradice 16 is built for larger meals and food preparation. For the best results, dice larger quantities of produce. There needs to be enough material moving through the machine for the time saving to really add up. The 8mm cubes are perfect for making sauces, and 16mm cubes are generally used for things like potato salads or fruit salads. Some produce can be too fibrous for optimal results, as they put too much pressure on the blades. It's recommended to avoid dicing ingredients like sweet potato, hard cheese or salami. As you'd expect, produce with hard skin such as watermelon or pineapple should have their skins removed first. When choosing produce for dicing, look for firmness, as this will get the best results, particularly with softer foods like tomatoes or avocado. It is normal for the last part of the produce to remain in the dicing disc. This is because there's no food in the chute to push it through. Once you've finished dicing, carefully remove this final piece and dice by hand if desired. Now it's time to retrieve the diced cubes remaining in the grid using the cleaning cap. It's recommended to remove the bowl from the base and place it directly on the kitchen bench, as it may be easier to clean the dicing grid from a more comfortable height. To push the final diced produce into the bowl, attach the appropriate cleaning cap to the pusher. Follow the guided arrows to locate the cleaner and apply pressure, repeating every section of the dicing grid. Sometimes it's easier to invert the grid to use the cleaner. Cleaning the dicing kit is crucial for safety and performance. Never directly touch the blades of the grid. Utilise the cleaning tools provided to carefully remove any residue before placing them in the dishwasher. Want to make fresh cut chips at home? Use the French fries disc. Simply insert the attachment and feed through your potatoes using the chute with the most snug fit. But don't stop at potatoes. Zucchini and even carrots can make for great chips. Now let's take the potato peeler for a spin. This attachment is perfect for the quick and easy peeling of potatoes. Simply place the peeler onto the machine, secure it, and add your produce. For best results, use a single layer of medium-sized potatoes, typically 5, but this will vary depending on produce size. A set of medium spuds would be completely peeled in about 15 seconds, making this task a breeze. Slicing is a common kitchen task, and the adjustable slicer disc can make quick work of raw foods and vegetables, and even deli meats. Simply place the spindle into the bowl, adjust the slicer disc to the desired size, and pop it in the bowl. Close the lid, and you're ready to slice. Grating is fast and efficient with the reversible shredding disc. Place the spindle into the bowl, then, depending on what you're shredding, flip the disc to the final coarse setting and feed through produce like apples, potatoes, cabbage, or of course, cheeses. Your machine features a wide feed chute accommodating a variety of ingredient sizes. This means there's less pre-prep when you're in the kitchen. For optimal results, use the chute size that best fits the ingredients you're processing. You want a snug, not tight fit. It's important to remember to never force anything through the machine. Just apply gentle pressure to guide the produce through. Cleaning is straightforward. Everything is dishwasher safe except for the dicing gearbox, which should be hand washed. For the machine base, simple wipe with a damp cloth is sufficient. Avoid harsh scouring pads to preserve the finish. You're now ready to explore the capabilities of your Paradice 16 and bring efficiency and precision to your kitchen creations.